Christoph, thanks very much for joining us here at MIPIM. In terms of the view on the market, are you sort of asset agnostic, sector agnostic, or are you favouring particular sectors?
In Switzerland we do everything, like from leisure over hospitality to resi. Outside Switzerland we're focusing more on office. Residential is not on the main focus, but we do logistics and retail.
Obviously there's been negative sentiment towards retail, which is maybe beginning to change a little bit, and also lots of positive sentiment towards logistics. How do you see those in terms of when you're weighing it up from an investment strategy point of view?
It depends on the price, obviously. And yes, we do see actually in the UK mainly a pressure on retail, especially outside London. Having said that, logistic became very expensive, so you really have to look what you do. We do still both, but it depends deal by deal. In the US and Canada, we still look mainly into office and less into logistic or retail.
What's your view as an investor on the sort of co-working spaces, the WeWorks and the various others? How do you see that as an investor?
Right. We do have one of these co-working companies as a tenant in Frankfurt. We like them in addition to long-term, mainly corporate tenants. So in Switzerland they are not as strong just because there aren't hardly any spaces to rent. I think they don't disrupt the existing industry, but they are a good addition to it.
And are you also beginning to look more at some of those alternative, beyond resi into sort of student housing and those kinds of things?
Yes, definitely. The main investment strategy is core and core plus value add, and among the value add strategy definitely micro living, co-living spaces and more flexible niche products are definitely on the agenda.
Great, look, it's great to catch up with you, Christoph, and pick up a little bit more about the investment strategy, and thank you for joining us here at MIPIM.
Thank you, Richard.